This is the problem that the Blocklive Scratch extension has got into. For those who don't know, Blocklive is an add-on that lets you collaborate on Scratch projects. Recently, it's gone through some serious issues that we need to talk about, especially since I covered these extensions in a video not too long ago. Given the current situation, I might be risking some of my viewers, so let's dive deep into what really happened. To sum things up, I received comments claiming Blocklive is malware, that it follows people without their knowledge, they store logs of chat without permission, blah blah blah. And naturally, I was like, whoa, what's going on? So I started digging into these claims. All my information comes from online sources, so take it with a grain of salt. First off, user reported that they had mysteriously followed a user called illhp10 without their consent. Very weird, and illhp, by the way, is one of the Blocklive developers. So it became clear that something was off and users were furious because they didn't agree to follow anyone. Many users immediately uninstalled the extension, left negative reviews, and some even reported it. Thankfully, the dev team, specifically illhp10, addressed this in their official Discord. Here's what he said: "I want to apologize for abusing my role as a Blocklive developer for a prank that made people using the extension follow my Scratch account because I wasn't thinking straight. I didn't realize that people would be pissed. That's on me. Nothing like this will happen again. Your passwords, tokens weren't exposed." It doesn't send any credential to the Blocklive server. It just makes the same request as clicking the follow button. The extension can't do anything malicious. The code is always publicly available, and if it did anything bad, one of nearly 100,000 users would have noticed and spread the word immediately. I'm not reading that. No one else on the dev team was involved. I hope I can regain your trust and you continue to enjoy using Blocklive to collab with your friends. I won't hack you. This was me being bored gone wrong. On his profile, he also mentioned, "What I'm working on my April Fool's Day prank misfired early. Oops." So according to his statement, it was all just a prank and a mistake on his part, not the dev team. Of course, many users weren't satisfied with this explanation and were still angry. There were two main reactions. One group who absolutely hated his response, quoting lines like, "I wasn't thinking straight, I didn't realize people would be pissed, I won't hack you," while the other group saw it as a prank and kind of accepted it and tried to defend the whole situation. And it was really funny to read those comments where these two groups would argue each other just because of a so-called prank. But the drama quite didn't end there. More people started looking at Blocklive and discovered that it stores all the logs of chat messages, and it raised a serious privacy concern. However, Blocklive had mentioned in their chat that clearly all the messages are public, monitored, and filtered, and they also released a statement regarding this. "We need to store all messages sent in the private chat we host because kids use this site, and if someone were to try to assault a kid or load them into another unlocked site, we need to have those messages saved to bring them to the police. It costs money to store millions of messages, so we use a private Discord channel as a storage database to keep Blocklive free and to monitor chats from harmful behavior. Discord's privacy policy is as secure as any online database tool we pay for. You should never discuss private things in Scratch chat because Blocklive chat clearly state that they are monitored to keep kids safe." And this response seemed pretty reasonable because at the end, Scratch is all just a kid's site, and having logs of chat can help if there's any misconduct. On the other hand, there were also some reports of potential vulnerabilities and exploits that could happen in the future. And that pretty much wrapped things up, and looking back, there are some pros and cons. The negative side is that Blocklive likely lost some users and trust. On the positive side, we now understand the risk of giving full access to our accounts, and it's a great lesson for developers about not messing with their users and to think twice before doing anything, even if it was a prank. So that pretty much sums up the whole drama. So what do you think about this incident? Make sure to comment them down below. And make sure to give this video a like, and if you want more content like this, make sure to click that subscribe button. So yeah, kind of a short video. Yeah, see you in the next one.